Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make refried beans from canned pinto beans. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of pinto beans, drained and rinsed thoroughly. Also, have 1/4 cup of finely diced onion and 1 clove of minced garlic ready. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, plus salt and pepper to taste. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and delicious side dish. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a medium skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your diced onion. Sauté the onion for about 3 minutes or until it becomes translucent and soft. Next, stir in the minced garlic. Cook for just about 30 seconds until you can smell its wonderful aroma, being careful not to burn it. This step builds a flavorful base for your beans. It's time to add the star of the show. Carefully add your drained pinto beans to the skillet with the sautéed onions and garlic. Pour in 1/4 cup of water or vegetable broth. This helps create a creamy texture. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Then, use a potato masher or fork to mash the beans to your preferred consistency, leaving some whole for texture if you like. Almost done. Now, taste your refried beans and season them generously with salt and pepper. Adjust the seasonings as needed until they are perfect for your palate. Serve your delicious homemade refried beans warm alongside your favorite Mexican dishes, or use them as a filling for burritos and tacos. They're so much better than store-bought. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.